been the one dubbing this period the Roaring '20s,
Yes.
and now you seem to be at least a little bit less positive than some other people. Am I getting that right?
Well, yeah, I think for now the market has had one heck of a move here, and it has been the Roaring 2020s so far. I think we're seeing some profit taking. I think we're seeing some questioning of the AI situation. People have called it an AI bubble, which is great. The more that people worry about that being a bubble, the more that they slowly take some air out of it, the better. The worst case scenario would be kind of like 1999, when just about nobody saw it as a bubble and everybody was very excited about it. So having some caution actually is a positive development.
Can you see the overall S&P 500 continue to mount this kind of double-digit gains that people are expecting without the participation of big tech as the main driver?
Well, I think the answer is it's possible, and we've been waiting for the S&P 493. You got the Magnificent Seven, and then I call them the impressive 493. Nobody's been impressed by them because the Magnificent Seven have kind of hogged all the oxygen in the room. But I think it's time for the 493 to really show off, because they're the ones that are going to benefit from the productivity gains that are available, not just from AI, but from automation, robotics, humanoids, and autonomous driving. All these technologies, they're going to be impacting the productivity of those kind of companies. And so I think that's where the earnings are going to really shine. People have been saying that there's been no earnings outside of the Magnificent Seven when you look at the S&P 500. That's not true at all. The rest of the companies have actually done quite well, just by comparison they have. And so, yeah, I think, the Magnificent Seven are right now selling at a 27 times forward PE. The rest of the market's selling for about 19 to 20 forward PE. I think you could have a situation where the Magnificent Seven become a little less valuable and the rest of the market becomes more valuable.